Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the last day of this engine rebuild. Today we are firing this baby up. We already got our headers and spark plug wires and spark plugs on last night. We got our wiring harness routed. AJ just got done putting the harmonic balancer on and my AC belt. Right now we're currently hooking up the AC compressor hoses. We're going to be getting our exhaust on here soon, later, and our cold air intake routed. We'll be changing this filter out. We're putting a bigger filter on and a bigger pipe. But yeah, can't wait. This has been exciting. I can't wait to start this thing up. I'm actually making a trip to AutoZone right now to get a couple more things that we need. Some just small things. Got to get a new oil dipstick tube because the bracket broke off of the old one. So let's get started. We fucking got it!
They just got to be careful on how much you use. Don't use it on that.
No?
You'll destroy it.
Oh, it's already loose actually. Got it.
Unless you want to buy O2 sensors.
No, I'm not really going back to AutoZone. For freight's finest, all right. Let's go ahead and put these O2 sensors in. What's that? That's great. That's very comforting. Yeah, I wish you'd never said that. No, but they look sturdy. Better than the jack stands that I have at my house.
For stuff like this, I like to use those big ones, not the little 3,000.
Yeah.
Because I know one of those jack stands is rated to
These are plugged in.
The sensor.
Not the sensor?
Yeah, not because you want to. Because if you heat the sensor will expand in the pipe and make it even tighter. You want to heat the pipe and have the pipe expand out away from the sensor.
Got it. And on the cats, the new cats.
Put your AC compressor belt on while it's still easy to get to you.
Yeah. Yep.
Hope they gave you the right one.
Yeah, something along those lines. I hear you, bud. All right, so we're getting our water pump on here. Does have to get torqued down or no?
No, they don't have to necessarily be torqued.
Okay.
Make sure
Does that thing look cockeyed? That pulley looks cockeyed.
That's because you took it off to paint it and you never tightened it up.
Ah, okay. I just put it on there. Yeah, I just put it on there just so it wasn't gonna fall off.
Put anti-seize on our bolts.
Yep. Make it a lot easier to get them off next time.
Yeah. Now we'll go back over with a ratchet. Make sure everything's nice and tight.
Yep. Got the dipstick in.
Yeah, that's easily recorded.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same spot, I think.
Yeah, pretty darn close.
Just gotta push in on it a little more. It goes in there. All right, guys, we're putting our new oil filter on. We're putting break-in oil, not full synthetic. The first 1,000 miles, we have to break in the engine since we have new piston rings and everything. We're pre-filling the oil filter. Oh,
I don't think you need the light bar.
yeah, it's a little. There's an oil filter on here, pre-filled. Hand tighten only. All right, oil filter's on. As you can see. And after 500 miles, I have to change this again, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And for the transmission one, 7 quarts, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I put about 2 quarts in the torque converter.
No. Can't count the torque converter.
Okay.
Not for it's 7.
There's transmission fluid in there.
Wrong, don't make it right, Holly. Easy, Matt. Easy.
Easy.
Because it's got to vent out, and if you.
Get a ratchet on there, just making sure. Alright, let's go ahead and put our power steering fluid in. Nope, I'm gonna need that long tube funnel. Well, might be able to just pour it in there. Yeah.
There you go. You looked it up, make sure that's the ATF this thing, or the power steering fluid is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Most power steering fluid is ATF. Maybe too small. Alright. The radiator hose is on. Got one other connector over there. I have no idea what it's for.
Alright, we are putting our new corner intake on. I'm telling you, man. Like I said, we do not have a good relationship with those things. Or at least I don't, anyway. Alright. Alright, that's in there. Collars on. Holy crap. I sure hope my hood clears that.
That's exactly what I was just thinking. Oh, we didn't put the other clamp on, but that's alright, we'll get it. Alright,
Oh, you want, hold on. This is an old one? Is this an old one?
yeah, that's it.
Oh, it's an old one, okay. Oh, hold on. Let me make sure I'm on straight.
And roll it back.
Right there?
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, I'm straight on.
Question is, oh, there's supposed to be a hose that goes from here.
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh.
Where's that port? It's right here. Ooh, it's a little short. Well, it's on there. But it's okay, it's past the neck. That whole get this last tire on, then just putting 2 lugs in for now. All right, tires are on. Oh. Get this exhaust off. Okay, I see how it is now. Yeah. Yep, definitely has to be beveled. Want me to hold it?
Hold on, let go.
Little. That's all right enough.
Yeah, she's good.
Okay.
All right.
Start up with the muffler now?
Yep.
Yay! Start with everything hooked up now. let's go ahead and torque these front tires down to 140 foot-pounds. All right, guys, we are back at my house. Here she is. She's at home right now. She still needs to get tuned. The shifting's all messed up and everything with the new torque converter on, and it's just dumping fuel into the manifold. So fuel mileage is not great at all right now. But I've had a lot of fun, you know, with this engine build, my first engine build. It's been a great experience, and I look forward to doing even more engine builds. Actually, the next engine build that I will be doing, it'll be AJ's build. He's the one that's been helping me with this engine build. He recently purchased a couple 8.1 liter GM big blocks. So we'll be doing those eventually. They probably won't be for a while. But the next type of content you will probably be getting on my channels is this girl right here, the boat. Boat season's coming up, so you'll be seeing some engine stuff on that. No engine build, just some tweaking on it and everything, and mostly cleaning and messing around with the outdrive. But I hope you all like this video. I hope you all enjoyed this series, and leave some recommendations in the comments for some engines in the future that you might want to see rebuilt, or a fresh complete new rebuild, or a new engine or something. But I hope you all have a great day.